Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am reviewing the Dr. Loretta Intense Replenishing Serum with glycolipids. This is what the product looks like. Dr. Loretta very generously sent this over as part of PR, I want to say late last year, and I am finally sharing my thoughts with you all today. This video is not sponsored. If you are new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Dr. Loretta describes this as a multi-purpose serum that plumps, smooths, and protects the skin against free radical damage. The Dr. Loretta range is formulated by one of the most passionate dermatologists in the business. Her products have won a number of awards. The Tightening Eye Gel, which she also sent over, has won the Best of Allure in Beauty Award 2019. The Urban Antioxidant SPF, which I have here. I have already used one full-size unit of this, and this is a brand new unit that the brand very generously replenished. This won a Refinery 29 Beauty Innovator Award. Currently on the skin, I am wearing the Universal Glow Daily Defense. This is a mineral sunscreen, whereas the Urban Antioxidant Sunscreen is a chemical sunscreen. And finally, the Intense Replenishing Serum with glycolipids won the Harper's Bazaar Anti-Aging Award in 2021. You can find this at drloretta.com, Dermstore, and Revolve. A 1 ounce unit of this retails for $70, and you can use the code Nadia15 and save 15% off your first purchase at drloretta.com. It is a one-time use code, and I do not believe this to be an affiliate link. It literally just saves you 15% off. Dr. Loretta recommends that you use this after cleansing as both part of your AM and nighttime routine. During your daytime routine, you can use this as a primer for any foundation. This can be used on the face, the neck, décolleté, the backs of your hands, and it may also be used on the hair for lightweight, long-lasting shine. I had not done that until today because frankly, I love this so much I just wanted to use this on my face. But I used it on my hair today. Let me know if you notice a difference. I did just kind of get a haircut, I want to say like last week or 2 weeks ago, so my hair is looking very healthy anyway and hasn't felt dry at all, but I do feel like it just looks kind of nice and glowy. I did just put it on the ends just because I do get a bit of a greasy scalp. This is quite possibly the first serum that I have ever reviewed that can be used both on the face and hair. Let me know if there is anything like that that you have used in the comments down below. As usual, if you do decide to use this during the day, be sure to follow it with an SPF to protect your skin against aging and burning rays. I do love how short this ingredients list is. It's literally 18 ingredients. It is one of the very few serums that I have reviewed whose first ingredient isn't water. It's actually the 12th ingredient. So what is a glycolipid? According to snowfoxskincare.com, glycolipids are lipids with a carbohydrate link found in various plant sources. Human and animal skin already contain different types of lipids. Lipids are the skin's natural fats. Glycolipids replenish natural moisture to provide instant radiance and keep the skin well hydrated. We also see vitamin F, which is omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, linoleic and linolenic, which help to calm the skin and promote a healthy barrier. Vitamin E is a naturally occurring powerhouse antioxidant that helps boosts skin's health. We also see what Dr. Loretta calls an antioxidant lipochromin. I think that's how you say it. A powerful antioxidant that protects skin from free radical damage to improve the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. I first used this on an Instagram reel / a YouTube short. I will try to link that down below for you if I can figure it out once I start to edit this video. But that actual footage went up about 2 months ago, and ever since then I have been using this as part of my hydrating nighttime skincare routine. Ever since I have been using this as part of my nighttime hydrating routine, along with some of the moisturizers I have reviewed here on my channel, such as the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Rich Barrier Moisturizer. Wow, that is a mouthful. I will link that review up above. Recently, I have been testing it with the Josie Maran Argan Pro Retinol Mega Moisture Face Cream, which looks like this, and there is a review coming. I was thoroughly impressed with the texture and feel of this serum. I feel like it's very unique, velvety, kind of like a thick oil / serum. It left my skin feeling smoother, hydrated, and oh so glowy. The next day, my skin woke up feeling hydrated, plumper, and radiant. I have personally never used a serum that looks and feels like this, other than an actual oil, of course. This serum's consistency is nothing like an oil that I have tried. Although it is summer, and it has been quite possibly one of the hottest summers here, I have been using this at night during my nighttime skincare routines, and I have been applying it to the neck and décolleté as well, using it alongside moisturizers that contain retinol and or glycolic acid. I feel like this is so close to being empty because I love it so much, and I really did want to get this review out there before I have no product to show. From use, I have noticed hydrator, plumper, radiant skin. It is summertime where I tend to experience a ton of environmental dehydration due to the AC being on 100% of the time, at home, at work, in the car. So far, my skin has been doing a-okay, other than this very random breakout that I have here along my forehead. I am not quite sure if it's perhaps due to a new hairspray. Perhaps it landed in my forehead or on my forehead, but I have been picking at it, which only makes it last longer. So it is kind of like the only issue I have with my skin at the moment. I have been battling the breakout cluster on my forehead with the Murad Deep Relief Acne treatment. I will link my review to this up above. This continues to be one of my favorite acne blemish spot treatments to date. Love this. My skin is hydrated, plumper, and more radiant. This works very well with a number of different skincare ranges, and although this can be used during the day, during the test I did not use this during the day. I am, however, wearing it during the day today, and oh my god, I did apply some setting powder to the skin, but you can still see that radiance peeking through. What is the weather like out there at this moment? 80 degrees, so it's not that bad. I have normal combo skin that I fear that actually using this on a day-to-day basis would make my skin just look way too radiant at the end of the day. However, if you have dry, very dry, dull skin, give this a go for daytime use. I feel like it will really boost your radiance level upon application. This paired well with a number of recently reviewed products here on my channel. It paired well with moisturizers and oils such as the Alpha H Golden Haze Oil. I know, I'm mentioning it again. I will say that when I used this paired with the Peter Thomas Roth Moisturizer and an oil, I did have to tap the oil on the skin and not massage it to avoid pilling, simply because the Peter Thomas Roth Moisturizer is water-based. My favorite way to use this is by removing my makeup with the FARMACY Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. I think I have the Strawberry Shortcake scent right now, which smells amazing. The IS Clinical Cleanser, I forget the name, and I like to follow that with the PCA Hydrating Toner. My only gripe with this is the packaging. I wish this was a mist, so I have to soak up a reusable cotton round, and sometimes I feel like that's not enough hydration for me. Then I like to use my Drunk Elephant eye products. I also like to follow the serum with the Mega Moisture Face Cream by Josie Maran, and then I like to go in with my Alpha H Golden Haze Oil. And my newest obsession, the Lawless Forget the Filler Overnight Lip Plumping Mask. I did use this during my demo. I broke the rules over here and I used this during the day, but I am wearing the Lawless Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss right now. But oh my god, like this little trio here, my skin just wakes up hydrated, firmer, smoother, so good. I would recommend this to all skin types, even my sensitive skin friends. This is fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and irritating ingredient-free. There is nothing in this product that will irritate or sensitize your skin. Anyone who needs a boost in hydration, who is looking for a plumper look and feel to the skin, this gives the skin such a luxe, luminous glow that anyone dealing with dull skin would enjoy this during the day. This gives me even more of a glow than the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Serum, and more of a glow than the Drunk Elephant C Firma, but I still think I want to use C Firma during the day. This gives the skin such a luxe, luminous glow that anyone dealing with dull skin would enjoy this during the day. My pros here are that the texture is unique, it's velvety, it leaves the skin feeling softer and smoother without feeling heavy or dimethicone. This hydrated and moisturized my skin without further congesting it or causing any breakouts. This is vegan and cruelty-free, and the best part is that you can use it on your face and your hair. Cons, I really do not have any cons. I only feel bad because I did not try this as soon as it arrived in PR. I love Dr. Loretta sunscreens. Her mineral and chemical sunscreens are literally some of my current absolute favorites. Now this is going to come as no surprise to anyone, but I am rating this a 10 out of 10. From all of the Dr. Loretta products I have tried, this is my favorite, but to be fair, none of the products of hers that I have tried have disappointed me at all. I've tried a scrub, I've tried the sunscreen, so this leaves my skin looking luminous, feeling hydrated, looking plumper and velvety smooth. I highly recommend this serum to all skin types, but if you are dry, very dry and dull, definitely consider giving this a go. Oily skin types, however, may want to stay away. Just looking at how radiant and glowy my skin looks at the viewfinder now. You may, if you are oily, just want to use this during the night like I do. Let me know if you have used this product by Dr. Loretta in the comments down below. What were your results? Would you recommend this to others? Let's discuss. Also, if you have used anything by Dr. Loretta, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching, for spending some time with me today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you liked this video, give it a like. I will see you guys in the next video.